This video will guide you through the steps necessary to ensure a perfect fit for your new Viking bags, saddlebags with fat brackets. Follow these steps to properly secure your bag, and you'll be ready to ride. Your new saddlebag includes the following hardware: 4 fat brackets, 4 long hex head bolts with nuts and washers, 4 small bolts, 1/4-inch and 1/2-inch spacers. In addition to the included parts, we recommend the following tools to complete your installation: screwdriver, socket wrench, combination wrench, marker, drill. Hold the bag against the fender to find the best mounting position. Once you've found the best position, hold the bag in place and mark the fender bolt positions on the back of the bag. These will be your mounting points. Lay the bag flat and line up the top hole in the bracket with the point marked on the back of your bag. Make sure that the bottom of the bracket is parallel to the bottom of the bag and mark the position of the bottom hole in the bracket. Repeat this process for the second marked point. Carefully drill holes through the points you marked in the previous steps. These are the holes to mount your bag on the bike. With the brackets in position, push a smaller bolt using washers through each of the 2 lower holes in the back of the bag and through the bottom holes of the brackets. Tighten the small bottom bolts using the provided nuts. Put a washer on the long hex head bolts, and from the inside of the bag, push each bolt through the top 2 holes you drilled in the previous step and through the bracket, which should have the flat side towards the bag. Now place the bags against the fender and push the hex head bolts into the fender bolt holes and tighten. Your bags are now mounted and you're ready to ride.